Did you know that the Bartow County Library System has thousands of ebooks and audiobooks you can borrow for free using your mobile device? By using the Libby app by OverDrive, you can download books and audiobooks, samples of books, keep track of your reading history, and much more. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up and use the Libby app, borrow and place holds on books, and return the book to the library. Let's get started. First, get the Libby app for your phone or tablet. Next, open the app. You'll see a welcome screen. It'll ask the question, do you have a library card? Click yes. Then it'll ask you if you have Libby on another device. You can copy your card from another device if you have it. Otherwise, you can look up your library name. Click in the field and type Bartow County Library. As you begin typing, you'll notice the matching library will appear. You can click on Bartow County Library System under Matching Libraries. Then it will ask you to add your library card. You can enter your library card details if you have that. If not, you can skip this step or request a library card. Now your card is linked. Once you click Next, you'll be brought into the collection. From here, you can search for a book, add preferences, explore the library, and see what's new. At the top right corner is the settings. In the settings, you can add a library or see your library cards and set up Libby. If you click Set up Libby, you'll be brought into another menu that will allow you to change your download rules and manage your hold notices. It will also give you a setup code if you wanted to set up Libby on another device. Now it's time to check out a book. Tap on a book that you're interested in. You'll see a brief description of that book and options to borrow, read a sample, or tag the book. If the book is already checked out, you will have an option to place a hold. Once you click Borrow, the book will begin to download. When it's finished, you'll have options to open the book, keep browsing, or go to your shelf. The shelf is the location that has all of the books that you've borrowed. When you open the book, you'll notice a few icons on the top right corner above the book cover. Here you can search, add bookmarks, or go into the settings. In the settings, you can move to different chapters, view your bookmarks, select your reading settings, and even find tips and secrets to using Libby. There's also an option to return a loan to the library. If you don't return the loan, it will be automatically returned on the day that it expires.